Here are some tips for changing the Mutoh maintenance station cap top. Follow these 5 easy steps. Step 1. Release the cap top. Start by pressing the cap top and gently sliding it toward the outside of the maintenance station. This motion will release it from its base. Once it's loose, carefully lift it out. Step 2. Disconnect the tubes. Next, look underneath the cap top. You'll see 3 tubes connected. Note their positions, then carefully disconnect each one. You may want to snap a photo to remember the correct layout. Step 3. Connect the new cap top. Now, take your new cap top and reconnect the 3 tubes. Make sure each tube goes into the correct port and push them all the way down to ensure a secure fit. Step 4. Relocate the spring. Don't forget the spring. Move it from the old cap top to the new one. Make sure it's positioned properly at the top and bottom so the mechanism works correctly. Step 5. Reattach the cap top. Finally, reconnect the cap top to its base. You do this by sliding it back into place with the opposite motion from when you removed it. Push until it clicks and is firmly seated. Now you're ready to start printing again. Like and subscribe for more helpful videos.